Hello guys, you're welcome to another exciting video. I am your tutor Mr. Okuki. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students out there. Alright? So let's look at the simple problems unsolved. First, I will do a basic introduction so that we can be able to solve basic problems like this. Now, if you're given, for instance, let's say we have this as A, divide, and this as root B. Now, if we multiply this by the ratio 1 over 1, it still means A times 1 is still A, and square root of B times 1 is the square root of B. We can see that this is true. But we can also use some other ratio, okay, to multiply this. All right, but the ratio we are going to use can still represent 1 divided by 1. For instance, if I say root x divided by root x, okay, it means this can cancel this, it means 1 over 1, right? What about this at the denominator? I can say root b divided by what? Root b. This also means this can cancel out, this is 1 over 1. So it's as simple as that. Now, whenever you have sorts like this or problems like this and you see that there is a sort sign, you want to solve it in such a way that this sign goes out of the problem. So you don't want to leave any problem in mass keeping a root sign at the what denominator. So for we to be able to remove this root sign here, we are going to use this. Okay, so I'm going to use this, which still represents 1 over 1. So I'm going to say A multiply root B divide root B multiply root B. Remember, if this cancels out, it is 1 over 1, which we have here. So this can now what be solved in such a way that multiply this sign goes out. So let's multiply it and see what that gives. So on multiplying it, I'm going to have A times what? So we have A times root B divide. Now this should be what? Square root B times B. And this will finally give us, we have A root B divide. Now, square root of B times B is still B. Okay? That is true because we have B times B is B squared. This can cancel out this, so we are left with B. So now let's apply this understanding to be able to solve this basic problem. All right. Now, when you do this in sorts, we'll call it what you are rationalizing. Okay. So we want to rationalize this, okay, and this. So let's start with the first one. So for the first one, we have 6 divide root 5 to multiply. Okay. So like we did here, I'm going to use this like this to multiply both the denominator and numerator. So I'm going to use this to multiply itself here, and I'm also going to put it at what? The numerator. Okay, so that this divide this represents 1 over 1. Okay, so now we can solve this. Now I have 6 times this, so we have 6 times square root of 5 divide, and we have square root of, we can now say 5 times 5, which is equals to 6 multiplied by the square root of 5 divide. This is what the square root of what? 25. And the square root of 25 we know is 5, so our final answer here is 6 multiplied by root 5 divided by what? 5. Now, you have to leave your answer in this form. You don't have to use this 5 to cancel out this 5 because the 5 at the numerator is a sort. It has the root sign. So it cannot cancel. But if this 5 can cancel this number, you are free to go ahead to cancel it. Alright, so let's look at the second problem. Now for the second problem, okay, we have for B, we have 35 divided square root of what? 7. So what's my first step? I'm going to what? Multiply this by itself here at the denominator, and I'm also going to what? Multiply it with the what? Numerator. Remember, this divide itself means 1 over 1 as we have, right? So the next step is what? 35 multiply this is going to give us 35 root 7 divide. This is going to give us square root of 7 times 7. Okay? So this is going to give us 35 root 7 divide. 7 times 7 here is what? 49. And remember, 49 is a perfect square. So we can solve square root of 49, which is 7. So we have this as 35 square root of 7 divided by what? 7. Remember, like I said, this cannot cancel out this because of the square root sign. The same applies here. 7 cannot cancel out the 7 because of the square root sign, but 7 can cancel out what? 35. So we'll do that. 7 cancel itself is 1. 7 into 35 is what? 5 times. So if we multiply what we are left with, we are going to see that 5 times root 7 is also equals to what? 5 root 7 over 1. So it's still this. Okay. Now for the first one, we have our answer as well. 6 root 5 divided by 5. So this gives us the solution to this simple problems. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and share this video to someone out there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.